Okay, so welcome to today's video. Subscribe to the best YouTube channel ever. And I'm going to show you this little program thing that I have. Basically, what it entails. So the layout is, this is the layout. You have your protocol. This will maybe help you plan your workouts. So for example, you have this day 1 protocol, day 2 protocol, day 3 protocol, day 4 protocol, and you're going to repeat the same protocol each week. So your program is going to stay the same each week for the next 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, or what have you. You're going to track what you actually did. So this is just a little spreadsheet that I've made just to give you an example. You can see me using Excel, and you can simply write out what you actually did. So if your protocol for March 11th was on day 1 was squats for 8 reps at 5 RPE, 3 sets of 6 at a 6 RPE. So first set at 6 RPE for 6 reps, second set at 6 RPE for 6 reps, third set at 6 RPE for 6 reps. And you're going to track how much weight that you did. So for your top set on squats, you did 8 reps at 5 RPE, and let's say you did 100 pounds. Okay, so if you don't know RPE, you can go watch my RPE video. It's basically rate of perceived exertion. It's basically how many reps you have left in your tank that you can do. So if you can do 8 reps of squats at a 5 RPE with 100 pounds, that means that you could have done 5 more reps after you did 8 reps. Okay. Then you move into sissy squats, right? Your next exercise is your sissy squats, and it's at 8 reps at a 6 RPE. And then you have 2 sets of 6 at 7 RPE. And again, you're tracking the weights. And again, you are keeping the workout the same week to week. So you're doing the same workout Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. The same workout the next week. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Same workout the next week. And so on. You're going to repeat it for 4 weeks. And then at the end of the 4 weeks, you're going to do a deload and or a pivot week. Basically, a pivot week is where you're going to transition into a new block. So this little program that I created is a 4-week 4-week program. And you also notice I highlighted no more than 11 sets. So sometimes you can track how much sets you have. That's a really good way to track how much volume you're doing. I also have a little section for notes. So it's really important to track what you're feeling. So right here, I'm showing you that the program is going to run from March 11th through the 1st of April. And then you're going to have a pivot week from April 2nd to April 8th. So about a week of pivot. So your pivot week is going to be from April 9th to April 15th. So that is basically a kind of an overview of the like how to write yourself a program. Hopefully that was useful. I think it was useful and something that you can try to incorporate. I'm going to show you here my little how you can plan ahead. So if you are trying to plan a couple weeks in advance, you can plan, what your goal is for each block. So each block is 4 weeks. Some blocks you may focus on metabolic training. Some blocks you may focus on circuit training. Some blocks you may focus on cardio training. So it depends on what your focus is and what your goal is with your workouts for that 4 weeks, 6 weeks, or what have you. So thank you for watching. And if this is something you liked, like the video and email me if you have any questions or leave me a comment. And I will see you in the next video.